Tracey Nick's grandmother, on trial for the death of her grandchild. The last witness just finished up. Let's go back in now. A new witness is taking the stand, and this one is the daughter, not the mother of the child that died. This is Nick's other daughter. Her name is Rebecca Tucker.
And how about finally Tracey Nix? Do you know her?
Yes.
And who is that?
She's my mom.
Did you know a Uriel Schock? Who was that?
She's my niece.
Okay. Now, I know this is upsetting, and I'm sorry I have to go back to it, but I do have to go back to November 1st of 2022, okay? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Ma'am, if you recall, just in general, what were you doing that day?
It was a normal day. You know, I worked and picked my kids up from school.
Okay. Well, let me ask you in particular, were there any plans that you had with your mother, Tracey Nix, that day? Maybe not for you, but for someone in your family?
Yes, Aiden was supposed to go out of town with her.
And how was that supposed to happen?
I was to bring him to her house after school.
After school?
Mm-hmm.
And how did you communicate with your mother that day?
Through texting, I believe.
And so, do you know, you said it was supposed to be after school?
Yes.
What time was approximately after school?
Between 4 and 5 p.m. I don't know exactly what time.
Okay, but roughly around then.
Right.
And did you bring Aiden to your mother's house that day?
I did.
And was it roughly in that between 4 and 5 o'clock hour?
Yes.
And what happened when you got out to your mom's house? Or let me ask you this, where does your mom live?
She lives on Kazan Road in Wauchula.
And what was going on when you got out there?
Whenever Aiden and I got out of the vehicle to check on my boys' 4-H pigs that they had at the time, I saw my mom and my dad doing something by my mom's vehicle, and I wasn't really sure, what it was. So it didn't take long at all to figure it out.
And your mom's property, is it just her house, or?
No, so you have the house, and then the barn is in the back.
So where did you see your mom's vehicle?
It was down by the barn where we went.
All right. And she was doing something, but you didn't think of anything at first?
No, I couldn't see because their backs were to me.
Okay. Did you come to find out more soon after? Mm-hmm. What did you see?
I saw them get Uri out of her car seat.
And when you say them, who were you talking to?
My mom or my dad. I'm not really sure which one was the one that got her out, but it was one of them.
And your dad's name?
His name is Nate.
Got Uri out of the car seat?
Yes.
Where was Uri put?
Where you said where
was she placed?
On the ground.
Okay. Anything else that was done?
My dad started performing CPR.
Okay. What did you do?
I called 911.
All right. You said you called 911?
Yes.
All right. And obviously, was that for Uri?
Yes.
Okay.
Spit out your gum. Sorry.
I'm showing you what's been pre-marked as State's Exhibit number 3. Do you recognize that?
Yes.
What is that?
That's the disc that has the 911 call on it.
The recording?
Yes.
Is that a fair and accurate depiction of the call you made that day?
Yes.
And Ms. Tucker, I'm done going into the details of what you saw. Did you stay around there or did you leave?
I was there probably for 5 or 6, I mean, I don't know, a few minutes while on the phone.
Oh, yes.
And then, once I heard the ambulance nearby, I left because I didn't want Aiden to go through that,
You want to get your son out of there.
Right.
Ms. Tucker, I'm sorry I had to ask you the questions. Thank you very much for answering them. I have no further questions.
Thank you. Defense? Laura? Thank you.
Good morning, Ms. Tucker. That particular day, was your mom going to take Aiden, you indicate, I think, out to eat?
Yes.
And was he also supposed to do something else, like, say, find Christmas gifts or look at Christmas gifts for him?
Yes.
Okay. And while you were there, did you observe your mom?
I did. While my dad was doing CPR, she went around to the other side of the barn, and while I was trying to figure out what, what happened, I walked, around to where she was, and that's where I saw her on her hands and knees and was, just completely, pale and breathing really heavy, and I don't know. It all happened so quickly.
Was she gagging?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm pretty sure she threw up.
And was she breathing heavily?
Yeah.
Did you call that hyperventilating?
Yes.
Okay. Could you see her eyes?
Yeah, they were huge.
Okay. I assume that was a pretty traumatic experience.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Stay.
No further questions, Your Honor?
All right. May she be released?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense? All right. Man, thank you. You may be released. State, call the next witness.
Before we call the next witness, Your Honor, we'd like, once the witness has left the stand in the courtroom, we'd like to publish State Exhibit number 3.
All right. Let's do that after she leaves the courtroom. All right, State, take your time. Publish.
Thank you.
Where is your emergency? My niece in the car. I don't know. I just pulled up, but we need EMS, immediately. Please. All right. Your niece was left in the car? Is she breathing? I don't know what happened. I have no idea. I can't even fathom this right now. My nephew just... Can you get to her so we can answer some questions? No, I don't know what's going on. I can't. My mom is I can't. I literally can't. I have no idea. Talk to your dad if he's with your niece? My dad, it has her right now. My dad has her. Oh, Lord. How old is your niece? Oh, my God. This is really, really, really bad. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, ma'am. Oh, yep. My name is Rebecca Tucker. My parents are named Tracey Nick. Okay. Ma'am, how old is your niece? I don't know. She's only a couple months old. Okay. I need you to be with her because I need to know if she's breathing. I need to know now. It doesn't seem like it. Okay, so it doesn't seem like she's breathing. No. Do you know how long she was left in the vehicle? I have no idea. I just pulled up. Please. Okay, I have help on the way, but I'm gonna stay on the phone with you while you're there. Oh, Lord. Okay. I have my 12-year-old son. Okay, how old is your niece? Is it going to be the baby? 8 months old. Okay. Okay, please. And I'm going to take you home. I can't be here for this. Okay, I understand. This is Kayla, who's the youngest one? Yes. Okay, I need to talk to somebody because I want to do CPR on her. My dad's doing it right now. Okay, so CPR is in progress? Are you doing CPR? Oh my God, she's dead. Okay, how does she look? Her eyes are open. She's not moving or breathing. Eyes are open, not moving or breathing. My son's home. That's correct. Hey, are you on the phone, baby? Oh my goodness, this is. I'm sorry. I keep cussing. I can't. Okay. Come on, honey. Finish up, please. Let's go. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh Lord. Okay. Okay. I know that you're wanting to leave. Is there any way I can talk to somebody that's there? Is Tracey there? I don't know where she's gone to. I don't know where she is. I don't know. Okay. Does your dad know how to do CPR on an infant? Yes, he does. Dad, you're doing it, right? Yes, he's doing it. Oh my goodness. Okay, I know you just got there. Is there any way that somebody can answer how long she's been like this? Mom! I don't know where she's at. How long was she in the car? A while. She was in the car. Took her to work with you. Okay. All right, ma'am. Okay, so she took her to lunch with her, and then whenever she got back, she was just left in the car? Yeah. Yes, ma'am. I know y'all want me to say I have to take my son home. He cannot. I can't do this with him here. So, did your mom call me? Yeah. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Yep. Hold on. Mom?
Your Honor, the state's concluded publishing State's Exhibit 3.
All right. Thank you. State, next witness number 6.